Oh, watch it there, Billy, though.
I say, yo, brother, eat bad.
Cha-cha.
You hear me?
Yeah.
You did it bad. Me laugh. But see, Arika make it. Arika make it a joke.
Yeah. What, you alright? Yo, you alright? You alright?
Yo, that bad.
Manala,
Yo.
Bad, you don't like your chief. Bad, yo, good job. Lava, good fucking job. Yo.
What you happen to say though?
Eh?
What you happen to say though?
No, but let me say,
Yeah.
I gotta start the war. Yeah. You see the picture of my post with Macron? I lose to the one that I can't admit it. The video they
Right.
leave the picture of my post with Macron.
Thank you very much.
That kill me. The video there, bad.
Bad.
Yeah. The video there, bad.
Creative.
Yeah, listen to me. But then, no.
Yeah, blood clot.
Manala, shut and laugh, Avabot.
Era one. Walla era one. And hear that era one? The man said dead to blood.
Me dead right now.
Oh.
Yo, Lava.
Yeah.
Dead.
Pussy clot. Loss of words. Osh.
Hey.
Drink some water, brother.
No, but yo, I'll be a tell you.
Yeah.
I murder your man, you know. You know me, I murder your man, you know that?
Yeah.
Eh?
We do.
You know, Lava, you know a man, you know.
Look. Oh, watch it there, Billy, though. What you passing?
Yo, what you look so proud about putting that to the man?
Yeah, watch it. Watch it. Watch the ear. How the ear comes along. And they chip on right there, so. Watch ear comes along. Watch it now. Watch it. Touch you, that. Yo.
Yo, I'm asking me to look a frozen one that I can't get this food.
You fucker, yo.
Yo, man, for blood class shoot. You not feel like that?
Yo, hero, me not lie about. Yeah, me G. Tell you, you cannot put it on done. Hero, I have to play this. Here.
How are you there?
Brother, sorry, I have to play this for you. Sorry, man, I have to play it, sorry. This have to play. This have to play. Shh, no nice. Put up a dog and put up a candle beside the dog. Put up a dog and put up a candle. Put up a dog and a candle right now. A dog and a candle. A dog and a candle. A dog and a candle right now. Right now. Sorry, my brother. Sorry, my bro. John. See that? Bro.
You need to do over a video and put nothing in your belly. Yo, Daddy, I want pussy hole, you know. You need to do back over the blood clot video and put nothing in your belly. You see, watch a man. I'm going to cut down the blood clot tree.
Cut it down.
You put the blood clot back up in there. Look there. I lock off her bumbo clot foot for me. And she come talk about.
Still it.
They don't go like she can style, man. I mean, I try her again in the lava.
Try. Which?
Oh, God. Georgia, may I take Sarah now? As a life, you win some, you lose some. You win some, you lose some. How are you winning, German? You are what? Lava. A man in Guayat, you know. Lava, me not sleep tonight, you know.
Who can't sleep? You cannot sleep.
Me not sleep tonight. Me don't like Bruce Wall.
But it's massive, bro. There's no way you can call back Dan for be
No, me not call that. I mean, I killed that man too.
Yeah, my dad for dead.
You have a dad for dead. I said that time she do it, you know.
Oh, hold on. You have a next dead. Rika says she has something for you. Must from Trelawney. Who from Trelawney?
What?
Rika Trelawney. Rika says she has something from Trelawney for you.
Only thing Rika can say from Trelawney, the blood clot girl named Princess, who trick me say she a breed. Rika, that's if you know from Trelawney. Rika, you don't know nothing else from Trelawney, but Rika. You only know the Princess stuff her belly and tell me say she a breed. I never did a breed. Rika, that's it, I know some sister lesbian and never have any girl me bring her house.
What?
That's it.
What's it do stuff her belly?
Eh?
What's it stuff her belly?
Stuff her belly and tell me say she pregnant in this stinker Trelawney, stinker Falmouth. Me a teeth her by Pampers and sitting. I'm woman and breed.
Yo, I get actually serious, glad.
Yeah, man.
Yo.
Mama stuff belly and tell me say
No,
she pregnant.
alright, stay with it. Stay with it. Let me hear from Rika first, cause you
Yeah,
gotta
man,
be Rika.
Rika, man.
Alright then.
And true. But that alone. If I fuck one next girl and him think him are the only one in the crew a fuck her. She a fuck 5 and blood clot friend.
You know the crew?
In the blood clot crew. Remember say Hero never get no pussy, you know. A idiot. A foreign him come and start get like a pussy. Hero get a job at Iberia Star. And them never blood clot pay. The man go a blood clot work every day and go sleep on the people them pays. Him they pan train him and them don't pay him. Hero where you don't talk about Iberia Star. One to the girl where you the wife up and your family them chain up the grill. Him could go in the house. You know how Hero go in the family house? Take off the zinc from up on the top and climb into the house and go in the T-phone.
You take out the zinc?
This zinc up on the blood clot.
Hold on, what I call it. Why you put a zinc on you right there? You must have a mama. Nah, man, zinc. Your belly ache young, bold belly ache young, big up in a belly ache, big up. Take out the zinc. You take out the zinc?
Somebody I tell Rika my business. Somebody I tell dirty Trelawney people. You know run down I do you know I shot me down and bury me. Pass me the king that freezer to me. I will call one of my friend.
You will call one.
Yeah, Rika, they tell Rika my business. Yes. Cash fuck for me. I'm a one pass the car with cash me a fucking a Rika. Yes, cash for me. Rika. Ah, yes, me tear out my bed last thing can go in the house for T14 clothes and he beat me. So Rika, what tell you?
Malala, shut and laugh.
So Rika, no one of my sister them tell you. So somebody I tell you things.
Me I know them sitting there.
Lava, me I tell you lava. But you there with a girl
Yeah.
that named Cash.
Right.
Nice, pretty girl. Pretty ear lava, me not tell no lie. Ride my little bicycle with my little peg them, you know, little wheel I light up the pour them little scammer boy, I come out.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Me used to pick her
Right.
up and my little peg from work and throw her on the back and ride her and carry her home. She meet a little scammer boy. The boy they drive I think I want under, but you know under them a yard, but them under the look. The yard under, you see me? One night me I call the bee and I couldn't get the bee. So last time alright, then out of my concern, me go and walk and check the bee and see if
Right.
it's good, cause she know the high spot where me normally meet her.
Right.
You see me? So anyway.
Continue.
Hold on, so me say, out of my concern, what you know about it? Anyway, out of my concern, me say me I walk go link B and see if the B good. But me walk past the car and shake lava and say, I know my business that. You understand? So me know, yes, them change the gate for because they say me ride bicycle and she there with man where she deserve better and man so her family never like me. Yes, them change the gate. So me used to stand up by the door and fling rock stone on the gate and fling rock stone on the door and the girls them come out and she say, Gosh, no come from work yet. So anyway,
Okay.
jump up on the bicycle. So me I go up the road now. Lava looking up the road now. Cash I ride the cock from back way, but me know it Cash. You understand?
Yeah.
Cock from back way. So now me I look for a rock stone now. Fuck up Cash like here in the lava. But lava find me the rock stone, me get weak out.
Whoa.
Me weak out lava. When me find the rock stone lava, me start ball.
Whoa. Pussycat.
Yes, Rika. I want me to never fall, but I never bad. Man, time you back, fuck me, girl. Somebody, Rika knows somebody from Chilani. Rika knows somebody from Chilani. If you tell them my business. Yes, I'm a sister, and I'm me wall, I'm a girl them.
So wait, so you find you that cry?
Eh?
You that cry?
Yeah, me cry. Me never could have ride the bicycle, go back home. Me have to lift up the bicycle and carry home.
Hold on.
Yo, we was a cry business. Look where the children from, yeah, man.